Hey guys, welcome to another weekend vlog. So we are on the way to the Barnum Car Show here in, I don't know if it's Monroe, Newtown, Connecticut, something like that. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to do some grocery shopping. And later, I'm going to try and make some fried rice on the Blackstone. And I'm going to take you guys with me. It's going to be a trial and error thing, I think, because it's my first time, but I'm excited and I'm looking forward to it. I don't know what else we're doing. We're just going to relax. It's a beautiful day out. So yeah, let's go. All right, here we are. Oh my God, look at the little doggy with the shoes. Oh, it's like your old truck.
No, not that.
Oh. Oh, look, you're winning Mustang. Challenger. Oh my gosh, a helicopter. That's crazy. I would not want to fly in that. Look how tiny the seats are. It's so scary. What's that? What's that? What's that? Judge? Car? Oh, little camper. That looks cozy.
Sin bin.
Huh? That's a nice Mustang. Ooh, wow, that's nice. It's shiny. It's a tomato. Shiny.
What's that?
It's shiny. That's a milk truck. My husband had a truck just like this in the 80s. 80s?
Huh?
So when was that?
Mine was a 79.
No, when you had it in the 80s though, right? Look at that.
Early 90s.
Oh my God, Hellraiser, look at that. That's really cool. I love it. Oh my God, look at all the skulls. That is so cool. I love it. So we get some sun.
Nice paint in that one.
This one? Oh, it is. It's like a blue, like a metallic blue. Looks like a Great Dane. Look how huge this dog is. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Oh, that's cute. You brought your pony.
You probably washed it before.
Look, the Barbie Jeep and the ice cream Jeep. Surprised I don't see any DeLoreans. A Roadrunner. Look at, they got a whole setup here. A table and chairs. Oh, he's got Pennywise on the back of the...
It is. All right, which way do you want to go? Yeah, I only see.
That's creepy.
That's right. I mean, science and stuff. I thought that's the way it came.
Boy, that hood goes way up, huh? Oh, look it. It's Herbie the Love Bug. This is a GTO? Look at, what year is that?
65.
It's amazing in 1 year how different the body style is.
Yeah, but the hoods are the same. That fits my car up to a 67.
Yeah. Herbie the Love Bug. This is a cool, like, gangster looking car.
This setup, you can't even look at the cars.
Oh, there, yeah, it's kind of blocking it.
Why I want them?
Oh, Ghostface car. We got a Roadrunner here. And Challengers. I guess that's it, right? Maybe there's more over there. Gosh,
I don't know what it was.
that's wild.
Come on, me, Scooby.
Items and collectible items. Father's Day's coming, pick up some great gifts. And of course our food trucks, beer and wine garden are all open and in full swing. So make your way around. We got marina amusements, all kinds of rides. And
I like that color. I like that red. Look at the headlights. I'd be afraid to bottom out in a car like that.
Let's go hydraulics. Look it up on YouTube.
Philly cheesesteak with some peppers and onions, and we got a big lemonade.
That's what Alyssa was like. Is that
It's like an armored car. It's interesting. Hey guys, so today we are making some chicken fried rice. So I have my green onions, eggs, chicken. We have our vegetable medley here, and our combination soy sauce, hoisin, and a little bit of ginger in there. So I'm just heating this up now. I just put a little bit of butter on, and I'm going to season the chicken, and we're going to put that in there. All right, so we got our chicken on. So let that cook. All right, we have our veggies working here. Our chicken's just about done. We're just gonna throw some of this teriyaki seasoning on there. Mix that all up. And now we're going to put the rice in. All right, we have our rice on, so we're just going to break that up. Normally people put day-old rice, but I just kind of lost track of time. So this is done a few hours ago and then put in the fridge. Let that cook up. All right, now we got our soy hoisin sauce. I'm gonna put over that. There we go. Mix that all up. All right, put a little well in with some butter, and now I'm gonna do the eggs. One and two. All right, so just kind of mix that up a little bit. Scramble those up. And lastly, we have our scallions here, so I've mixed everything together. We got our green onions we're going to throw in there. Last minute there. And there we go. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So last I left you guys, we made the chicken fried rice. Came out pretty good. So this morning I just got my coffee. I got my Dunkin' coffee here. I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna make my first breakfast on the Blackstone. So I'm gonna show you guys that too. It figures right when I'm starting to film, the neighbors decide to mow their lawn really loudly. So excuse the noise. All right, so I'm just scrambling up some eggs here. See, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on there.